morning po sa ating lahat mga kayakap. Nandito po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya Kans TV. Kayakap mo sa hirap at ginhawa. Dito po tayo ngayon sa SM po. Ayan, maaga pa po. 8 pa lang po ng umaga. At may event po ngayon mga kayakap. Ito po. May event po mga kayakap ngayon. At kasali po si Maxine. For experience lang po. Sarado pa yung SM, pero kapasok na po kami at magpo-production number po, magpa-practice po, rehearsal. Update po ako mamaya.
Check B. Check B. E1 check. Check B. Check B. Check.
And dito po sa taas mga kayakap ay nagpa-practice po sila ng dance sport. Ayan. Naging pambato din po tayo yan dati nung high school pa po tayo, dance sport mga kayakap. Yun, iba't ibang genre po. Ngayon wala na po tayong practice kaya tingin-tingin na lang tayo mga kayakap. Galing tayong CR mga kayakap. CR po tayo. Naghahanap sana tayo ng almusalan kaso sarado pa po yung ibang mga bilihan po mga kayakap. Alas 10 pa po talaga yung open dito. Update po ako ulit. Preparing na po si Maxine mga kayakap. Ayan, prepare na po para at least papaano ay mamaya ready na po mga kayakap.
Kurang makeup artist ni.
Ay na. Sino? Baka di pala ada. Kaya di na.
David mo na ang kasarunan. Ate siya yung kailangan. Number 7, Angela yung 7.
Kabahan mga kayakap. Si Maxine.
I am very much excited to be here today to witness the most charming and dazzling celebration of talent,
Bebe, wait lang. Wait lang. Diretso na po. Shen, smile! Chicken command, bulan po kami.
Yan, St. Bird talaga.
Ikaw na lang po.
Kaya pinili siya niya sa mga. Bakit ko kaya lalaki?
Na, bebe! Be!
Anora, smile! Anora, smile! Anora, smile! Smile! Yan, go!
Exposure na po mga kayakap. Gown na po, formal dress.
Hindi mo man naapakan? Tama ka naapakan na, no?
There's a timer.
Smile muna. Tapos, magmamadali. Ikot. And, smile. Smile. Diwa.
Prepare to dazzle as a candidate shine in elegance and style for the formal attire competition. Let's start for female category. Let's call on candidate number 1.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Pagsitingin lang sa
Immaculate Conception Academy of Bulan. Candidate number 1. Please step forward. Ang nabunot po ng ating candidate number 1 ay salitang caring. In Tagalog ay mapagmalasakit.
Maroon.
Alisin mo yan dyan sa loob. Kaya makaaram pa ng anak na.
Sing dati po, nasa Baguio kami dun sa mga dilim, dun ang mga bahay. Tapos dun kami nag-sleep. Tapos, madilim ng kwarto nila ni Marvin ay hinad ko po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 1 from Immaculate Conception.
Ayan, hello po mga kayakap. Subali po, hindi na po natin na video kahapon yung bali ibang araw naman po ito mga kayakap, at kahapon po hindi na po tayo nakapag-vlog kasi nalobat po tayo dun sa SM Sorsogon, kaya di na po natin na vlog, pero thanks God kasi nakasurvive po yung pageant ni Maxine, yung pamangkin ko po mga kayakap. Subali first pageant po niya sumali, yung salang SM agad mga kayakap, siya yung napiling ilaban. Bali nakasagot naman po siya. Ayan, bali situation yung binigay niya, pero yun, thankful pa rin kasi sa first niya po na pagsalang ay may award din po mga kayakap, at for experience naman po kasi para next time if gusto pa rin niya sumali, kasi siya po talaga yung desidido rin sumali nung sinabihan ng teacher niya, kumbaga hindi siya nagdadalawang isip. Ayan, bali mga kayakap, ayan, tapusin muna natin yung video natin kahapon, karugtong lang po ito ngayon. Bali kahapon 28 March 1 na po ngayon mga kayakap, at maraming salamat po sa patuloy na sumusuporta. At ako po palang inyong lingkod, Kuya Kens TV, kayakap mo sa hirap at ginhawa. Bali dito tayo nag-outro. Nandito naman po tayo sa Bulusan. Bali nagbiyahe naman po ako dito sa Bulusan, Sorsogon po, at sunduin ko po si Mama at Papa. At umalis ako doon mga 4 AM ng umaga. Ngayon 5 na po mga kayakap, at medyo may distansya din po ito sa amin. Konti lang yung tulog natin, gabing-gabi na po kami dumating kagabi, pero yun, bilang anak syempre kahit pagod pagdating sa magulang, dapat lagi tayong pwede mga kayakap. Yun, thank you so much po at maraming salamat. Hanggang dito lang po muna. Bye bye po, pansamantala.